one of the free website that you could see, even if you're in elementary, in high school, and now that you are in college, is the Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a free encyclopedia that can be accessed by different or by all people if they want to seek some information regarding a topic. For example, just key in the topic. For example, you want to see or you want to know about Harry Potter. For example, you just key in the the word and then voila, here it is. So you will see a lot of information regarding Harry Potter. Okay, so this Wikipedia can be accessed and can be edited by any people who wants to update or who wants to proofread the information written on it.